Hi guys, this is a 10 of all. Today I am going to share with you the top 10 hottest female characters in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. Number 10 is Peggy Carter. Margaret Elizabeth Carter, most known as Peggy Carter or Agent Carter, is a fictional character appearing in the American comic books published by Marvel Comics. She was one of the most prominent agents of the strategic scientific reserve during and after the Second World War. Number 9 is Hope Van Dyne. Hope Van Dyne is a character from Ant-Man. She is also known as the Wasp. Just like Gamora, she is very tough and she is very good at fighting. Number 8 is Gamora. Gamora is a fictional character appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics. Number 7 is Jane Foster. Jane Foster is a fictional character appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics, most commonly depicted as a supporting character of the superhero Thor. Number 6 is Laura Barton. Laura Barton is the voice of Client Barton, also known as Hawkeye, and the mother of Cooper, Neela and Nathaniel Barton. Number 5 is Maria Hill. Commander Maria Hill is a fictional character appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics. In film, she has been portrayed by Canadian actress Cobie Smulders. Number 4 is Aunt May. Aunt May is a fictional character appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all.
Number 3 is Sharon Carter. Sharon Carter is a fictional character appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics. She is usually depicted as a secret agent and ex-field agent of S.H.I.E.L.D.
Till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Number 2 is Scarlet Witch. Wanda Maximoff, also known as the Scarlet Witch, is a fictional superhero appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics. She is portrayed by Elizabeth Olsen in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. She is thought to be one of the most powerful people in the Marvel Cinematic Universe.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
The hottest female character in the Marvel Cinematic Universe is Black Widow. Natalia Alyanovna Romanova, most known as Natasha Romanoff or the Black Widow, is a fictional superhero appearing in American comic books published by Marvel Comics. She is one of the most talented spies and assassins in the entire world and is a founding member of the Avengers. Thanks for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe the channel and click the bell icon as well as give a thumbs up for this video. Let's meet with another top 10.